You don't suddenly lose self-respect. There's no moment where it clearly disappears. Instead, it fades quietly. Through small decisions, small compromises, small moments you tell yourself, it's not a big deal. Until one day, something feels off, and you don't know why. Here's the truth. Self-respect is rarely destroyed. It's slowly abandoned. Self-respect is not an emotion. It's a relationship with yourself. It forms when your actions align with your values. Self-respect isn't about confidence. It's about reliability. When you repeatedly show up for what matters to you, respect grows. When you don't, it weakens. The brain adapts quickly. When something feels uncomfortable, it tries to normalize it. This is why misalignment can feel fine for a while. You tolerate things you said you wouldn't. You ignore signals you used to listen to. And slowly, your internal standards shift without conscious choice. Self-betrayal doesn't look dramatic. It looks practical. I'll deal with it later. It's easier this way. I don't want to make a big deal. Think about a recent moment you went against yourself. Did it feel small or did it linger? Self-respect erodes when these moments accumulate. When self-respect drops, shame often follows. Not loudly, but quietly. Shame doesn't motivate change. It discourages awareness, so the mind avoids looking. It stays busy. It rationalizes. It moves on. But what's unacknowledged continues shaping behavior. Psychology points to a grounded path. Self-respect rebuilds through repair, not punishment. Here's what helps. First, notice misalignment early. Awareness interrupts erosion. Second, make small corrective actions. Consistency matters more than intensity. Third, separate mistakes from identity. You can correct behavior without attacking yourself. Self-respect returns when the mind feels safe to realign. You didn't lose self-respect because you're weak. You lost it because you adapted. And adaptation can be updated, not by becoming harsher, but by becoming honest and consistent again.